welcome back to another video. And today I have oh, that's not what I have.
What you doing? What you doing?
Stop, Dad. Okay. Today my dad took me out. Oh, okay. Took me to, ew, what's in that? My dad took me to Family Dollar and got me some flarp noise putty. But, yeah. Yeah. So, also, my baby sister loves like putty or slime too. So, if she sees this, she's gonna be like, "Why didn't you get me slime?" But luckily, my dad got a ball for her. A ball for her, yeah. She kind of likes balls. Whoa. It's so stretchy. It's stuck. I'm so happy my dad got this for me. I'm really happy. I've been out a lot today. I'm exhausted. And this is a great time to like veg it all out. So yeah, I live in Brockton. Yep, I'm okay. I live in Brockton, and there's a Family Dollar like right next to my house. Like like right across the street from my house. So we went across the street, and I got some flarp putty. As you can see, my baby's gonna be so mad and so jealous. I think she's gonna be jealous. Sorry. Okay. Whoa! Look at this. This is really relaxing for your fingers. And I didn't even know it was gonna be this big. So yeah. I didn't even know it was gonna be this big. Wait, I'm gonna try something. Okay, bad ball, bad. Look at this ball. Oh my gosh. Oh, it looks like he has hair. It looks like it has hair. Whoa. I love flarp noise putty. Like, it's amazing. I think it's really awesome. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So, yeah. Look what I did. Oh my gosh, it's like a knot. So, yeah. Oh my gosh. Ooh, oh yeah. Ooh. What does this even look like? Whoa. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Help me. And I'm going to do the swirly whirly. Like, I already used this. It's not like I just started playing with it. It's like I couldn't wait till I got home. I'm home now, but I couldn't wait till I got home, so I played in the car, and then we went to this restaurant, and then I had to leave in the car, but then my dad is like, "Go get your iPad," and then I snuck it in my pocket. Then I started playing with it in the restaurant. So yeah. My dad didn't really care if I did it because he saw me playing with it. Yeah. And by the way, it's flarp noise putty. So. Oh my gosh! Did you hear that? Oh gosh, that was a big one. Oh, that was like a pop. Need it. I hope my baby sister understands that I hope she understands that that he that I hope she understands that she has a ball and she's not gonna get mad because I have putty. And besides, I'm gonna tell her that my dad is going to get her putty. He's not actually gonna get her putty. So yeah, because we figured out my baby sister likes putty. So my dad is like, oh yeah, my dad is like, oh yeah, don't let her see it. But I really love it so much, I want to keep playing with it, so I might let her see it. So yeah. Whoa! Whoa! It's like Pikachu's ears. Kinda. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm gonna end it right here, guys. I hope you like this video. And I hope you like this video. And comment and subscribe. Oh my gosh, what's happening? Comment and subscribe.